Hello everyone, here we've got Apple iPhone and let me show you how to add weather location. So at first open your weather app, then click on all locations that you have here, tap on more icon and the top of the list and then select edit list. And here you can smoothly add location, just search for it and let me pick for example this one. Here we've got the weather there and then just tap on add. And as you can see from now on, anytime you will be checking the weather, it will be located here. So let me open it one more time. Let's open all our cities and here it is. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.